The Cardirun Folding Treadmill CR-350 features a powerful 3-horsepower motor, supporting a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, while maintaining a quiet operation for a peaceful workout experience. This treadmill allows you to customize your workout intensity with its 3 levels of manual incline, helping you target different fitness goals and burn more calories. The treadmill's spacious running area, along with its 7-layer anti-slip belt and multiple shock absorbers, ensures enhanced running comfort and joint protection during long workout sessions. With its multifunctional LED display and built-in speaker, you can track your workout metrics in real time and enjoy your favorite music through wireless sync. The treadmill's easy assembly and space-saving design, complete with hydraulic EasyLift assist and transport wheels, make it convenient for home and office use. Monitor your heart rate effectively with the pulse sensor on the handrail, allowing for a safe and goal-oriented workout session.